Hello guys, welcome to Zaitun Tats Plus channel on YouTube. Today we are in the last lesson of CSS. In this lesson we will learn how to add custom font in our HTML. It's our last lesson. In the next week we will start CSS again. But CSS, as expert, what we can do with CSS, that you can't believe that we can do them with CSS. Now we start. We have created a folder, lesson 15. Now in here we have a font and we have a style. We open our bracket, we open our live preview, we add a text in here, paragraph tag, adding custom font. Now we come to dafont.com. This one is I want to download this MacLemun. Now I open tarasfonter.org. Now I open this. I have this in here. In the font, I copy this in here. Now in here, I add the font. I have this. I need EOT, SVG, and TTF. I convert it. Now I download it. I want to delete this in here. I open this and copy these files in here. We have copied them in here. Now I cut them in a style. I want to paste them here to make it easier for working. I open stylesheet.css. I copy this and paste it in my style.css. Now I have this is my font family name. I come in my HTML. This is P tag. Now I want to define a class for it. Class font1. Then I save it. In here I type font1. Then I paste font family in here and font size like 60 px. Now if I add another text in here, I don't have an style in here. I want to add another font for this one. I open the font. I refresh it because I want to make another font. Rebecca is good. I download it. I have this font ready for using web. To do this, I copy this tree. I paste this tree in here. Then I open rebecca.ttf. The font name is Rebecca. I come to I added font 2. Now in here I add another font face. I copy this font face. The font name was Rebecca. I have TTF, OTF, woof. I don't have EOT. I delete EOT. I don't have woof 2. I delete this. I don't have EOT. I have woof. I have TTF. I don't have SVG. I have TrueType woof, TTF, and I have OTF. Format. This was the name of the font. Rebecca dot OTF. TrueType, and I add a semicolon in here. I add URL. Rebecca.otf. Now in the custom font, I have added my font. I want to add my font 2 because in here in the classes font 2. Now in here I copy only this one. We have forgot to add source in here. Now I want to change the font size. This is about custom font that we can add in our HTML. We can do this for other languages like Arabic, like Persian, Urdu, Italian, Chinese, or other language that we have. If we have the font, if we have the TTF, no need to worry about it. That I can't use it on the web. This website is a good website that change any font to web font. Again, in the next week I will start another class of CSS, which is so important for anyone that want to learn CSS as expert and work as a web developer in the bazaar. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a